everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am here to share with you guys how I installed my lace frontal wig using the GOT2B free spray. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I do that, you should please keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video, and don't forget to comment, like and share this video with your friends and loved ones. So this is the hair I'll be using, and the hair is from Samika hair collection. And if you are my subscriber, or if you are someone who always watches my video, you would know that I have been doing my honest review on Samika collection hair, and I really love their hair so much. I got this hair around December and I'm still loving how the hair is looking like, and I still recommend this company to you guys. If you're looking for beautiful hair, you can check them out. And yeah, I'm also gonna put on my stacking cap or quick cap on my head like this. I also tuck in the rest of the hair inside the stacking cap. And now that everything is okay, I'm gonna put on my wig. I'm gonna make sure that everything is laying the way I want before I start putting on my GOT2B free spray. So I just want to come a little bit closer for you guys to see. Without the GOT2B free spray, this is how your wig is gonna look like when it's windy. Everyone is gonna see what is under your hairline, and that is no one want to go out with this. So I'll be using the GOT2B free spray here, and I really love this product a lot. Like I have already told you guys that I really love GOT2B product a lot, and that is what I'll be using. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to use my hair clip to get my hair out of the way. So I'm going to work my way from this side and then move to this side. I come a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be applying some of the GOT2B free spray on my hairline. Whilst you are doing this, when you have makeup on, you need to be very careful so you don't ruin your makeup. So bear in mind that the GOT2B free spray, it's very cold. So yeah. So I'm gonna be using my blow dryer, and I'm gonna take the cold setting to blow some air around my edges where I have applied the GOT2B free spray so that it can dry quicker. So I'm also gonna check if the GOT2B is tacky. But for the look of things, it's not that tacky. So I'm going to apply one more time just to get that tackiness before I place down my frontal. So I'm gonna blow dry it again using the cold setting. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna see if the GOT2B freeze spray is tacky before I place down my frontal. So if you guys can see, it's tacky. Now I'm gonna place down my frontal. I'm gonna start from this side here, place it down. So I'm going to use my tail comb to press down the lace down. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side here as well. As you guys can see, I have some other places that are lifting up a little bit. So I'm going to go back with my spray. So I'm going to blow dry some cold air around that area for the GOT2B to be tacky before I place it down. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna use my scarf to tie down my edges. So I'll come back in like 5 minutes and show you guys how everything is looking like. So I'm going to remove the scarf. So this is how everything is looking like, as you guys can see. So guys, this is how everything is looking like. As you guys can see, I try to lift up my wig, but you can see that it's still in place. So it's an amazing method. And what I'll say is there is not a lot of white residue around my hairline. And I also want you guys to know that I'm not a baby hair girl. I don't really like it. It's not my thing. Yeah, so this is the final look on how everything is looking like.